What if I told you making a full, professional, beautiful design presentation takes less time than making a cup of coffee? Most people are still doing this, spending 2 to 3, sometimes 4 hours on a single presentation, struggling with alignment, fonts, colors, just to end up with something that looks okay. But today, I'm going to show you a tool that builds your entire presentation structure, design, images, layouts from a single sentence, and it's completely free as well. This is MiriCanvas, and by the end of this video you will never waste your time on presentations again. So let's go. So before we dive into the demo, let me quickly tell you what MiriCanvas actually is. A lot of people haven't heard of it. MiriCanvas is a global online design platform used in over 180 countries with more than 2 million active users every single month. And it's not just another Canva clone. MiriCanvas has a full suite of AI tools, AI image generation, AI writing, AI background remover, icon maker, and the feature that actually blew my mind is the presentation and the UGC ads video generation. And here's what makes it different from tools like Gamma or Beautiful.ai. I will explain that just in a second. First, let me show you exactly how it actually works. Alright, I'm inside MiriCanvas and I'm going to click on AI presentation right here. Now all I have to do is to type in my topic. I'm going to type something super simple. The future of AI in digital marketing. That's total one sentence that I'm going to feed it. Now I'm going to hit generate and watch what happens. Look at that. A complete structured, professionally designed slide deck. Title slide, agenda, multiple content slides, conclusion, all generated in a matter of seconds. And what I love about this is notice how every slide actually has a logical narrative flow. It's not just randomly stuffing content in. The AI thinks about the story you are trying to tell. And unlike a lot of AI tools where the slides look like they were designed by a robot, these are built on professionally designed templates. Look at this typography, the color palette, the spacing. This slide is all ready to present. But here's where it gets really interesting. And this is what separates MiriCanvas from almost every other AI presentation tool out there. There is a built-in chat interface, so after your presentation is generated, you can literally talk to it, like have a conversation with your deck. Now watch, I'm going to ask it, make the introduction slide more engaging and add a surprising statistic about the AI adoption. Done. It rewrote the slide, added the stat and kept the design intact. I didn't actually touch a single thing. You can tell it to change the tone, make it more formal, more casual. You can ask it to expand a slide, shorten one, add a new section, change the focus. It's like having a design assistant on call 24/7. And the best part is you don't need to know anything about the design prompts or how AI works. Just talk to it like you would talk to your colleague. Now maybe you want to tweak things yourself. No problem. Everything is actually fully editable. I can click on any text and change it. I can move any element around freely. I can swap out the images, change the background, adjust colors and fonts. Nothing is actually locked down. And this is a huge deal. One of my biggest frustrations with other AI tools is that when you edit one thing, the whole layout breaks. MiriCanvas keeps every element independently structured. Text, images, shapes, they all move independently. Your edits are targeted, not destructive. You can also add, delete or reorder slides at any time. So if the AI give you 12 slides and you only need 8, just delete the rest. That's super easy. So this is a rapid fire section and MiriCanvas doesn't stop at presentations. Inside the same editor, you got the full AI toolkit. Need a custom image for a slide? Hit the AI generator. Describe what you want and get it instantly. Need to remove a background from the photo? One click and it's done. Want a custom icon that matches your brand? The AI icon maker generates it from a text description. Got a blurry screenshot? The upscaler sharpens it up for a crisp professional display. And the AI writing tool polishes your slide copy, fixes awkward phrasing, makes your content sound sharp. All in one AI toolkit. And even you can make UGC ads from MiriCanvas as well. You don't need 5 different apps for this anymore. It's all right here in MiriCanvas. When you are done, MiriCanvas gives you every export format you could possibly need. PDF, PNG and JPG, perfect for email or print. PPTX, fully editable, full editing in PowerPoint after export. MP4 or GIF, animated slides for social media, shareable link, live link on which collaboration is possible. The PPTX export is especially impressive. Every element stays fully editable in PowerPoint. Text, images, shapes, all independent. If your client or professor wants it in PowerPoint formats, you are actually covered. And you can share a live link directly for co-editing or presenting online. No download is actually needed. So who is MiriCanvas actually for? Honestly, I think almost everyone. If you are a student, you can go from assignment brief to a finished presentation within 10 minutes flat. If you are a freelancer or agency, you can build client pitch deck faster even without hiring a designer. If you are a content creator, you can build social media kits, brand presentations, YouTube video pitches all in one tool. And the free plan gives you 5 AI presentations per month, up to 30 slides each, slide generation, editing, and PPTX download all free. Alright, time for final verdict. MiriCanvas is generally one of the most complete AI design tools I have tested. The AI presentation feature is fast, smart, and produces results that actually look professional right out of the box. The chat-based refinement is what really sets it apart. You are not stuck with what the AI first gives you. You can shape it, refine it, make it yours, all without touching a single design tool. The free plan is generous. The download options are excellent for anyone who regularly needs to build presentations, whether for school, work, or clients. This is a serious time saver. That's it for this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.